Oh my god, guys. Look at what I just found.
I had to take a picture through a window.
Yeah. That thing through the window, basically, over there, that is a woodpecker. Look at the size of that thing. It's probably better if you hold it, but still. God, look at the size of that thing. Think we found a new... Oh my god, look at the hole it made in the tree. Up and it goes up. Oh my god, I think we found like a new type of woodpecker.
I don't know, but that's the biggest one I ever seen.
Yeah, they're usually so small.
Guess not up here.
And guys, I'm sorry for the delay on videos. My mom and me have been very, very sick with the flu, and I am sorry about that. Oh, Mom, look, it's up there. It's up there now, on that branch. You can't just switch it like that, Mom. It'll look sideways. And a bird just flew by. They're coming from in the field. So
So I looked it up. The only thing your vehicle out there on the market that has a transmission rain sensor on it is a Ford Escape.
hi guys. So an explanation. My mom has been quite sick for like a couple weeks, and I have been, by the way, sick with the flu, and I've been sick for about a month with the flu, and it was terrible. And the worst part is I didn't even get my flu shot. But my mom still has the flu. And sorry for the delay of videos. It's just really hard to make a video when your mom has a broken leg. By the way, she broke her leg like a year ago. And when she has a broken leg and has a flu, it's kind of hard to make videos, you would think. By the way, how do you guys like the woodpeckers?